Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you guys how I make this super easy barbecue chicken in the air fryer. Okay, you can fry it, you can bake it, you can grill it, perfect for 4th of July. So if you would like to see it, keep on watching and let's jump right into it. Alright, here's the chicken that I'll be using for today's video. I am going to wash them before I cut them. Next, I am going to cut them up. Once you're done cutting all of your chicken, this is what they looks like. For the seasoning, I'm using 1 tablespoon of Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, ground black pepper, and salt to taste. Okay, of course you can use whatever other seasoning that you like. Now we're going to mix that up really quickly and just add it all over the chicken. Now we're going to give the chicken a nice rub. Make some love to the chicken, okay? Once you're done, what we're going to do is place the chicken in the fridge, all right? We're going to place it in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure our chicken is well seasoned and the taste can be absolutely delightful once we bite onto the chicken. Now here we're going to add it to the air fryer. I know my air fryer look dirty. Trust me, it's not. Okay, I literally just make some sriracha chicken, so what's the point of washing it? I know somebody gonna say something, but I literally just made it. So if you haven't seen that recipe, go watch it. You'll love it, trust me. So I am just going to place the chicken on there just like that, and then we're going to push it in the air fryer for, I believe, 25 minutes. Now I do have a link for this air fryer down below if you're interested. It's on my Amazon store, just click it if you're interested. Once they're done, this is what they look like, nice and golden brown and crispy. We're going to turn it over. Turn it over so the other side can be nice and golden brown and crispy as well. And if you're watching, you haven't subscribed, please consider to subscribe today because I do make these amazing recipes here. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it and turn on the post notification bell. Once you push your chicken back in and take them out, honey, this is what you have, this nice and golden brown crispy chicken. And trust me, they are to die for, okay? They're so good. I'm using my Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. Of course, you can use whatever barbecue sauce you like, but that is basically the recipe, right? So easy, super duper easy. Thank you for watching, guys. I do appreciate every single one of you guys who clicked this video. And also, guys, I will be dropping more 4th of July recipe, so stay tuned for those. And if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and now I'm going to try them. Ooh, looks so good. So nice and golden. And of course, it tastes so good. Oh my gosh. Try it out. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.